Hilti TE Singapore. There's two applications that I will show you now. Okay, the first application I'm going to show you is that when you insert in the chisel, okay, there is a setting lever here. So always remember, when you want to set the flat chisel, you switch it in this position, then you turn the position that you want, then after that you have to lock it. With clicking sound, this one will prolong the lifespan of the tools. If you switch in this manner, you will damage your tool easily. When you want to use, you lock it, click it, and you can use it. For the second application, you can see that this is 110 voltage and in yellow color. So you can see there's an edge here. With this edge here, please do not use for 230, it won't go in. And you don't cut away and force in the 110, that you might damage and destroy the tools. You must use back the same 230 voltage with the edge correctly to insert in.